In this video, we're going to show you how to and when to use the Callable test case feature in Provar. Callable test enables you to systematically repeat those recurring test script steps. So let's say, for example, your testing scope requires you to create 15 test lead records in Salesforce. Instead of recreating this over and over, make your test callable to avoid the rewrite. To begin, click on New Test in the upper left-hand corner and select New Test Case. Give your test a name and select the Salesforce application. Deselect the Launch Test Builder session and click Finish. In the right column of the Settings section in the testing canvas, click the Callable pick list and select Callable. Now you are ready to build out your test script. You can reuse the generic steps you create as many times as you need and make changes quickly with just a click.